How to make Elevenlabs voice faster. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your Elevenlabs voice faster for more dynamic voiceovers. To adjust the speed of the voice, head to the voice customization settings on Elevenlabs and find the speech rate or speed option. Increase the speed by moving the slider or entering a higher value. Preview the voice to make sure it sounds natural and not too fast for comprehension. This feature is especially useful when you need to fit more information into a limited time frame. Now that you know how to make Elevenlabs voice faster, you can optimize your voiceovers to match your needs.